God gave Solomon a blank check. He didn't ask for gold or the heads of his enemies. He asked for a heart that could hear. When you seek wisdom first, the world follows. Wisdom isn't just knowing facts, it's seeing truth. One ruling proved to a nation that their new king was walking in the counsel of the Almighty. The finest wood, the purest gold, and the most skilled hands. Solomon spared no expense for the house of the Lord. Every stone was cut in silence to honor the Creator. Inside the Holy of Holies, heaven met earth. Two massive golden cherubim stood guard over the ark, surrounded by walls carved with the floor and fawn of a new Eden. It was a masterpiece of geometry and grace, draped in the wealth of nations, designed not just to be seen, but to be a dwelling place for the invisible king.
The Shekinah glory of God filled the temple so powerfully that no man could stand in its wake. It was a weight of holiness that transcended the gold and the cedar, a terrifying, beautiful sign that the living God had made his home among his people. The king bowed, for the true king had arrived. The glory is a gift, but obedience is the requirement. God's promise is eternal, but the king must keep his heart focused on the giver, not the gift.